Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, we're going to show you how you can delete messages in conversations on Slack really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to Slack and access the workspace you would like to work with. And after that, take a look at that panel here on the left-hand side. Here we see all associated channels, for example, as well as chats and conversations you have had with your team members and also with the Slack bot. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me delete a conversation or a message of a conversation I had with the Slack bot. So click on the conversation and here we see a list of all messages exchanged between you and your interlocutor. So basically, to delete your own message or a message from your interlocutor, simply hover your mouse over it like that. And after that, move your mouse here to the right and click on these three dots, more actions. And after that, select delete message from that drop-down menu. To delete the message, confirm by clicking on that button here. And that's basically it. As you can see, the message disappeared. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.